Chapter 7 Shelter for Everyone. Key points. Variation in shelters. Living together. Everyone needs a shelter to live in. It protects us from harsh weather, theft, and wild animals. Different types of houses or shelters are seen at different places because of the factors like climate of that place, availability of building material, economic status of house owner, etc. Variation in shelters. Let's read about some types of shelters. Look at Rohan's house. He is a rich merchant who resides in a city located in Punjab. Here, climatic conditions are normal. He lives in a bungalow. He has used high-quality building material like iron pillars, cement, bricks etc. to construct his house. रोहन का घर पंजाब. अमीर व्यापारी है. पक्का मकान, बंगला. सामग्री, लोहा, सीमेंट, ईंटें. जलवायु सामान्य. Look at Varun's house. He lives in a small village of Rajasthan. The walls of his house are plastered with mud and the roofs are covered with straw or other plant material to save the roof from being heated due to the sun. Look at Priya's house. She lives in Assam. It rains heavily in this region. So, she has a stilt house above the ground on the bamboo pillars. It saves her house from being drowned in the rainwater. वरुण का घर राजस्थान. छोटे गांव में रहता है. दीवारें मिट्टी से प्लास्टर की गई. छत सूखी घास या पौधों की सामग्री से ढकी. गर्मी से बचाव के लिए ऐसा निर्माण किया गया है. प्रिया का घर असम. भारी वर्षा वाला क्षेत्र. स्तंभों, बैम्बू पर बना हुआ घर. इसे स्टिल्ट हाउस कहते हैं. ये घर बारिश के पानी से बचाने के लिए जमीन से ऊपर बनाया गया है. Look at Huma's house. She lives in Kashmir. She lives in a house that has sloping roof to protect her from the snow. Such houses help in sliding the snow down and keep the roof free from snow deposition. Look at Anthony's house. He lives in the Arctic region where the land is covered with ice and snow. So, he has built his house with snow and ice. His house is called an igloo. The floor of his house is covered with animal skin to keep the igloo warm. Look at Mishti's house. She lives in Tokyo, which is an earthquake-prone area. Her house is built with wood and bricks. Walls of her house are made in small sections that prove it to be earthquake-resistant. हुमा का घर कश्मीर. बर्फबारी वाला क्षेत्र. छत ढलानदार, स्लोपिंग होती है ताकि बर्फ जमा न हो और फिसल जाए. एंटनी का घर आर्कटिक क्षेत्र. बर्फ से ढका इलाका. इग्लू में रहता है. बर्फ व बर्फ के टुकड़ों से बना घर. फर्श पर जानवर की खाल बिछाकर गर्म रखा जाता है. मिष्टी का घर टोक्यो, जापान. भूकंप संभावित क्षेत्र. लकड़ी और ईंटों से बना घर. दीवारें छोटे हिस्सों में बांटी गई हैं ताकि भूकंप में क्षति न हो. Living together. People live together in a society. That is why they are called social beings. People live in with their families in a neighborhood that has some common facilities like parks, roads, markets, hospitals, schools, places of worships, etc. On the basis of the number of people living in an area, the settlements can be divided into the following categories. Hamlet. A typical hamlet consists of only a few houses, often clustered together close to the road. All the settlers of a hamlet are engaged in the same occupation. साथ मिलकर रहना. मनुष्य एक सामाजिक प्राणी है, इसलिए वह समाज में रहना पसंद करता है. लोग परिवारों के साथ पड़ोस में रहते हैं. एक अच्छे मोहल्ले में बाजार, स्कूल, पार्क, अस्पताल, पूजा स्थल आदि जैसी सुविधाएं होती है. जनसंख्या के अनुसार बस्तियां के प्रकार. प्रकार विवरण. हमलेट कुछ ही घरों की छोटी बस्ती. सभी लोग एक जैसे काम करते हैं. Village. A village is a small community or group of kucha houses in a rural area. It is usually larger than a hamlet and smaller than a town. Nowadays, many villagers have pakka houses. Town. A town is a community of people ranging from a few hundreds to several thousands. Usually, a town is thought of as larger than a village but smaller than a city. City. A city is an urban settlement with a particularly important status. Towns and cities are well planned. In cities, some people who cannot afford a house live in slums or on footpaths, bus stops or railway platforms. They are called homeless. गांव हमलेट से बड़ा पर शहर से छोटा, अक्सर कच्चे घर, अब पक्के घर भी। कस्बा कुछ सैकड़ों से लेकर हजारों लोगों की बस्ती। गांव से बड़ा, शहर से छोटा, शहर सुनियोजित और सुविधाओं से युक्त बड़ी बस्ती। कई लोग झुग्गी बस्तियों या फुटपाथों पर रहते हैं, जिन्हें बेघर कहा जाता है। निष्कर्ष, हर व्यक्ति को एक सुरक्षित और आरामदायक घर मिलना चाहिए। जलवायु, भौगोलिक स्थिति और संसाधनों की उपलब्धता के अनुसार अलग-अलग स्थानों पर घरों के निर्माण में भिन्नता होती है।